Hello, today we will guide you through how to set user permissions in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll add a new user, choose the right level of access, and send their invitation so they can start working in your books with the right permissions from day one. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Settings icon near the top of your screen, typically shown as a small gear. This is your control center for company preferences and user management. Click the Settings icon to open the menu, then select Manage Users. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your QuickBooks company, along with their roles and status. To add someone new, choose Add User. You'll see a form where you can provide their basic details. Click into the first name field and type the user's first name. Next, click the last name field and enter their last name. Then, click the email field and provide the work email where they should receive their invitation. Double-check the spelling. The invite goes to this address, and typos can delay access. Now it's time to assign permissions. Click Assign Roles to view the available options. Roles determine exactly what the person can see and do. So think about the tasks this user needs to perform. QuickBooks presents role choices with brief descriptions, helping you gauge whether the access is broad, limited, or specialized. Choose the role that best matches their responsibilities. If you're unsure, aim for the least access they need to do their job. You can always adjust it later in Manage Users. Selecting a role also helps protect sensitive financial information by restricting areas the user doesn't need. After reviewing and selecting the appropriate role, confirm your choice. When you're satisfied with the name, email, and permissions, click Send Invite. QuickBooks will email the user an invitation to join your company. The person will accept the invite from their inbox and sign in. Until they accept, you'll see their status listed as pending on the Manage Users page. If an invite expires or gets lost, you can resend it from the same place. That's the full process. Open QuickBooks Online, go to Settings, select Manage Users, add a user, enter their details, assign the right role, and send the invitation. Taking a moment to match the role to the user's job helps maintain accurate books and strong internal controls. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to add or update a user in QuickBooks Online.